Hello guys, I am Mithun and this is my review of Gosund WP3 Smart Plug. I'll try to do an installation guide on how to use this smart plug and then how to pair it with your phone. So the first step is to insert the plug in the socket. Once you plug it in, you will see that the power button starts to blink. So right now it's blinking slowly, so that means it's in the AP mode. So there are two modes of connection that you can use to pair this plug with your smartphone. So the other mode is the default mode, or like to call it the basic mode. In order to switch to that, what you have to do is just hold it down. Yeah, so right now you can see it's blinking rapidly, so it's much faster. So this is the basic mode, and I don't have a GoPro right now, like another phone, so that I can show you how it happens in real time, like the connection. So what I will do right now is switch to my phone screen and go through the steps on the app so that you guys know how to use it. Hello guys, now I'm gonna show you how to connect the plug to the app. What you're gonna do right now is open up your Smart Life app. So once you log in with your account or make a new account, will be your this will be your home screen. So what you have to do is first click on the top right corner where you see the plus icon. After that, we're gonna go to electrical and then the first option, electrical outlet. Then as you saw previously in the video, this was the basic mode we were using on the plug, and the LED was rapidly blinking. So this is the basic mode. Then we have the AP mode, that is the slow blink. So what for now I'm gonna select the basic mode. So what you have to do is click on the confirm indicator rapidly blink. So make sure it's the same mode on your plug and then hit confirm. So it will ask you to select your Wi-Fi and then enter the password. So I just selected my network from here, and then you can hit confirm. After that, it will try to pair with the smart plugs using your router. So just give it like a couple of seconds and it will connect. So you can also rename it here. I plugged it as plug one so it's easier to read. So here you can turn it on or turn it off, set up a timer or set up a schedule. This will be your home screen where you can monitor the devices you have, or you can even categorize living room, bedroom, etc. So now let's go to the Amazon app. So here, because I have already paired my Amazon app uh, with the Smart Life app, so my device directly showed up in this app in Alexa. But if you want to like pair it, what you have to do is go to devices, hit the top right corner, the plus icon, then you can select add device, then go to plugs, select Tuya, 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 because it's already paired. For me it shows the screen. For new users it will ask you to connect. So since it's already connected, what you can do is hit on devices again, go to plugs, and it will show you that plug one device is off. You can turn it on. uh, I would also show you guys how to use the voice command, but because I'm actually recording on screen and using a lavalier microphone, it's not allowing me to use the voice function. So anyways, this is how you use the set up the application. uh, if you have any doubts, just post it in the comment section and I will try to answer them. And next I will switch up to my back camera so that I can show you guys how it looks on the plug. After we have paired our smart plug to our app, it will turn red, so that means it's, and when it's red it means it's on. You can also power it off if you want. So here I have my headsets and I have my charger. So once you plug it in, this will start to blink. So this means that these are charging. So the problem here is I can show you guys real time that when you switch, because if I switch to the app, the video will stop recording. So so if you want to turn it off, what you can do is you can just go to the app or use Alexa and then do a voice command, or just hit the button and turn it off. Or you can even do it manually by pressing this button. So it's off. If you want to turn it on again, press back the button and comes back online. Yep, came back. Yeah, so overall I like the smart plugs. So I bought a pack of two which came in for like 18 or $19. So it's like $9.5 each. They're best bang for the bucks, especially when you compare the features they give you for this price. The material feels quite good. I wish they had more colors. Overall it's really good. Like though the pairing might seem a little bit inconvenient, but once you get used to it, the pairing is really easier. I basically try to use the basic mode because it's much easier than the AP mode. And then especially when you pair it with Alexa, it's very easy to use. You can just say turn off plug one, and then Alexa will turn it off, and the response time is very quick. So the moment you turn it off using the app, it shuts down instantly. So that, like, there is no delay or stuff. And the best thing about this is, like, you can be anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection and that this plug is connected to Wi-Fi in your home. You can turn it off just by pressing a button. I mean, touching a button on your phone. That's it. uh, if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to I'm gonna try my best to answer them. And see you guys in the next time.